Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the latest coin that's actually trending right now, which is COD INU. Right, sorry, COQ INU, which is a meme coin built on Avalanche network. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is it on Coin Market Cap. I'm actually going to paste the link to this particular coin on Coin Market Cap and paste it in the description below so you can find it and get all information you need to know about this coin. Alright, so if you scroll down, you're going to notice that you can actually purchase this coin in different markets in case you want to, in case you don't feel like using this particular method I'll show you in this video, which is Uniswap, and buying it through your Metamax account. You can go ahead and buy it on KuCoin, Bybit, BitGet, and a lot more. All right, so I'm going to show you how to buy this coin using Uniswap on your Metamax account. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open Uniswap, app.uniswap.org, and once you have it opened, your account is going to look exactly like this. And the next thing you want to do is to come here to this contract section and copy the contract address. So once you copy the contract address, you come back to this section, and the next thing you want to do is to change your network. All right, change your network from Ethereum to Avalanche. All right, because you're actually going to be purchasing this token on Avalanche network using Uniswap. So I'm going to switch the network, and now we're on Avalanche network. So what I want to do is to go ahead and click on I'm going to swap this. Let me just do this. I'll select this, then I'm going to put I'll select let's say buy. I'll come to the buy section. Let me see. All right, no, look, right, let's do it like this way. I'll come here and I'll paste the address. Once you paste it, it's going to show you the coin. This is it right here. Click on it, then click on I understand. And the next thing you want to do is to come and click your select this second section which you receive. You have, okay, sorry, let's say we are using this to buy this. All right, let's do it this way. All right, so you come here and you scroll down to this section. You can see right here WAV. So we have those. Let's look for WAV, which is wrapped avalanche network. So I'm gonna click on that, and now I can purchase this. So why I requested you change this is because if you take note of this section, which means the pair is COD slash WAVAX. All right, so you have to select that, which is wrapped avalanche. Then you click on the amount. Now you can input the amount of this wrapped you want to convert to the COD INU in your account. You're going to put this, and it's going to give you the amount you're going to get right here. So this is the amount right here, and you can see right here I have insufficient wrapped balance. So right now I can't do this. So you can say deposit token into your Avalanche network. You can also come here to do the they call the Avalanche bridge thing, like deposit token to your Avalanche network. To Avalanche network, you have to do this. All right, let me accept this. So okay, Avalanche network. Okay, let me connect my Metamax. Then I understand. Then continue, and it's waiting. Okay, then I'll click on next and connect. So now bridged. Okay, which means you need to bridge. Okay, you can actually bridge this, but I don't want to do that. So this is how to bridge. So once you've done that, your token is going to be deposited into your account. Now if you can't see the token in your account, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on this button right here. Click on this add to Metamax, and it's going to add the token to your Metamax. So you can see it right here, add token to Metamax, and right now token has been added to my Metamax account. So let me click on Metamax. You can see it right here, added. This is it right here. So once I purchase this token on Uniswap, my amount is going to be deposited into my Avalanche account on Metamax. So this is it, guys, on how to go ahead and purchase this. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, kind of like, subscribe, and share.